We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello, good morning all. Today we have to study about refrigeration and air conditioning system. What is the air conditioning system? What is the refrigeration system? How can it works? What is the basic principle of refrigeration, principle of air conditioning system, types, and more about that. The overview: refrigeration system, types of refrigeration, air conditioning system, types of air conditioning system, and system of air conditioning. First we have to know about what is the refrigeration and refrigeration capacity. 1 ton of refrigeration definition. Usually 1 ton of refrigeration are defined for that the capacity of 1000 kg of ice melt during 24-hour duration minus 0 on centigrade to positive 0 on centigrade. Here we have to given some definition for that. The 1 ton of refrigeration. 1 ton of refrigeration is an important historical unit of refrigeration capacity. Means we have to define the refrigeration capacity in a ton. That is the unit of refrigeration capacity. Originally 1 TR was defined as a rate of heat transfer required to make a 1 ton of water of ice per day from water at 0 on centigrade. Means they have to define in our basic terms. 0 on centigrade water we have to melt during 24-hour duration in a day. There is a convert 0 on centigrade liquid to 0 on centigrade ice, and we have to remove from that heat. There is a capacity of 1 ton refrigeration. Then for the other hand we have to say that the 1 ton of ice melt during 24-hour duration. Then we have to say that the 0 on centigrade ice convert into 0 on centigrade water during 24 hours, and that's 24-hour duration. The heat absorbed from the atmosphere, that's also called a 1 ton of refrigeration system. An American Society of Heating, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineer, ASHRAE, defined 1 ton as equivalent to a refrigeration capacity of 3516.85 watt. Just we have to define 1 ton definition units. If you have to consider for that the latent heat of ice is 333.55 kilojoule per kg, then we have to consider 1 ton of water. Usually 1 ton of water is equal to 907.18 kg of water. For a pure condition we have to consider as a 907.18, not a consider as a 1000 kg of water. Heat extract from the water during 24 hours. For another equation of 1 ton, latent heat of ice 1000 kg of water divided by 24-hour duration in a day. The answer is that 12651.38 kilojoule per hour. We have to divide it in by 60. That's the unit becomes a kilojoule per minute, 210.85, and then after we have to divide it as a kilojoule per second by divided by 60. So 3.51 kilowatt. That is the 1 ton units is equal to 3.51 kilowatt per hour. That is defined as a cooling capacity of refrigeration or air conditioning system. We have to know about what is the refrigeration. Refrigeration definition. Refrigeration is a process which cools a closed space by removing heat from it. Another definition for that, the refrigeration is a process of removing heat from an unclosed space or from a substance for the purpose of lowering the temperature. Refrigeration is a process in which work is done to move heat from one location to another location. Refrigeration is a process of lowering the temperature from closed space compared to atmospheric temperature. In the basic terms, we have to define the refrigeration terms is normally we can say that we have to lowering temperature compared to atmospheric temperature during external work done by the system. We have to say that the heat transfer from one place to another place. There is the first place is as a cool down, because of the we have to heat absorb from that space and reject to another space. There is a called as a refrigeration definition. There is some types of refrigeration system. The first type of refrigeration system is mechanical compression refrigeration. You have to say that in another word, vapor compression refrigeration system. In this system, the most widely used refrigeration method is a mechanical refrigeration system. In the world, there is a widely used this system. There is a 4 component parts are available. Compressor, this is the first component. Second component is condenser. Third component is expansion valve, and fourth component is evaporator. Compressor is the heart of refrigeration system in a VCR cycle. There is one is a pumping system, move the refrigerant from all component to compressor. Next, vapor absorption refrigeration system. Vapor absorption refrigeration system, there is a 2 working fluid. First is a ammonia gas and second is a water. Ammonia is the main refrigerant in a vapor absorption refrigeration system, and H2O is a absorber in a vapor absorption refrigeration system. There is no requirement of any high pressure elements, means that the compressor. There is a required for only and only minor basis of pump, and work system are smoothly. Vapor absorption refrigeration system has a mainly 4 component. First component is a generator, which has a convert liquid ammonia and liquid water to gas ammonia and steam. That are passed from condenser, then after it passed from pressure reducing valve, then after it passed from the heat transfer brand, means absorber, and then after is passed through a pump to generator. The next refrigeration type is evaporative cooling. Evaporative cooling means that the refrigeration are done to atmospheric condition in an open cycle. There is a cycle is open. The most example for an evaporative cooling is our air cooler. Air cooler is a evaporative cooling. There is a evaporative cooling mainly 2 parts, pump and high speed fan. The pump works the water transfer to a cooling pad and hot air pass through a cooling pad. Then after the fan is blow high velocity air to a outside, and inside box it's create a low pressure, that's the water is evaporated and it goes to a cool down. Evaporated water means is that at a constant temperature the water is vaporized, means water is converted to liquid form to vapor form, and it's a cool down. Then after the another system is thermoelectric refrigeration system. The thermoelectric refrigeration system works between a hot junction and cold junction. The thermal insulation and electrical insulation are provided and work with a electrical DC supply. There is one part is a cold and another part is a hot. Next topic is there the air conditioning definition. What is the air conditioning? Air conditioning can be defined as the treatment of indoor air in order to control certain conditions required for human comfort. Air conditioning is a system for controlling the temperature and humidity of air. Air conditioning system defines a method of filtering air, keeping its humidity and temperature at a desired level, as in building, vehicle, etc. Air conditioning, the control of temperature, humidity, purity and motion of air in an enclosed space independent of outside conditioning. We have to define in our basic terms what is the air conditioning system. Air conditioning system is maintain the room temperature at a human comfort level. Human comfort level require 26 to 27 degree of temperature is the better for human comfort temperature. Air conditioning system. The next is the clean the air or pure the air. Secondary system we have to define for air conditioning system. It's the humidity control also available in air conditioning system, and that's are clean air in the room. Air conditioning system, air conditioning process controlling of property of air, temperature, speed of air in the room, cleanness, humidity inside the closed space, and maintain a comfortable condition. Air conditioning room, all the parameters for requiring a human comfort, that's all are maintained by air conditioning system. Air conditioning system is just not effective for summer, but it's also effective during the winter and monsoon condition. Mostly we have to know that the air conditioning system used in a summer condition, that's are not required, but we are use air conditioning system in winter and monsoon also. There is a different type of air conditioning system. First, base of measure function, domestic air conditioning system and industrial air conditioning system. Second is based on season, winter air conditioning system, summer air conditioning system and year rounding air conditioning system. The third is based on equipment arrangement, utility system and central system. We have to define that the based on season, winter, summer and year rounding. In the winter air conditioning system, the room temperature is very low compared to our human comfort temperature. In this season, winter, we have to require a heat up our air conditioning system. That is the in winter condition air conditioning system room temperature goes to a rise. In summer air conditioning system the room temperature is higher than the human comfort temperature, so we have to cool down our room in summer air conditioning system. Year rounding air conditioning system, then the monsoon condition we have to use. The monsoon condition there is a highly humidity in the air, so that the air rounding air conditioning system remove moisture from the room space. Thank you.